Hi, my name is Anthea Kgaswanyane, also known as Anthea Rodan, and I'm hoping to go to New York with the talent that I have, and I hope that I can expose it to you guys so that you can appreciate it and actually vote for me and take me far. I'm going to sing Beyonce's song entitled Listen. Listen to the song here in my heart, a melody I start but can't complete. Listen to the sound from deep within. It's only beginning to find release. Oh, the time has come for my dreams to be heard, and they will not be pushed aside and turned into your own, 'cause you won't listen.